you go, sweetie pies. All right, it's all right. You want to try the spoon again? Gimme, catch it.
Look at you there, bud. Is that good?
Doing a good
Kind
job,
of a
sweetie.
sour look
It's
on your
messy.
face.
That's a messy thing. Want to try it? Would you like your blueberry? Would you like a little more, or are you all set?
Is that good for your complexion, Oscar? Because you got it all over. It must be very nice.
Yeah, you're a little messy.
Huh?
Ooh, look at this. Has Grampy got another blueberry in here? You want more milk? 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 Thank you. Hang it. Yeah. Nice blueberry here, Oscar. No? Not? Try a little blueberry. Nice blueberry. He didn't eat too well, did he?
There you go, dude.
Uh-oh. So are you ready to go to the beach? Hmm? Are you ready to go to the beach? I think you're going to want this blueberry, Oscar. It's very, very good. Oh, there goes our milk. We just spilled it. It was not